Good morning, everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. As you know that this is your part B of a previous session. Okay, and in this session we will do our second subject. Which is your second subject today? It's your maths one, right? So as you see on screen, this is your child-centric mathematics perfection toolkit, one of two, Joyful D. So while you all are waiting, you have to go and bring out your maths book as well as a sharp pencil and eraser in your hand. Okay. One thing you have to tell me that are you enjoying your activities? So you all did your math activity very well, the backward counting. So what is the meaning of backward counting? That means you have to go back. Okay, आपको previous number count करना है and then you have to write it. Fine. So let's move ahead. I hope so that till now you have bring out your maths book. Now I'm going open your mathematics book. Come on page number 1717. Okay. So as you know that in my previous session, I introduced you the concept of backward counting, right? So we did a worksheet related to that just to revise our concept. Okay, आपको मैम आज एक new worksheet करवाएंगे introduce. This is also the same concept of your backward counting. Okay, you also have to do practice at your home with the number boards, with flashcards. Okay, chal. Now as you see, this is your page number 1717. If you want to cross check one more time, so you have to come down here below, see the page. This is your page number 1717, right? Okay, and what is the caption over here? It's count backward. मतलब आपको क्या करना है? You have to count the backward numbers. Fine, students. Okay, before starting this worksheet, what you have to do first? Tell me. When we start a new worksheet, when we start our study, what we will do first? Ma'am, we have to write date. Yes, you have to write the date first. Okay, so on top here, you have to write today date. Also circle the day as well. Go outside, check the weather. How the weather today? Is it cloudy, rainy, sunny, snowy, or windy? So you have to circle the clip art. Okay, observe it carefully and then you have to do it. Fine. Chalo. Now we are moving ahead towards our today concept. As you know, it's backward counting, right? So what is written over here? Write numbers from 20 to 1. तो आपको क्या करना है? आपको 20 से लेके 1 तक means you have to count backward from 20 to 1. Okay, one by one you have to ask with your own that what comes before 20. You get your answer. It's 19. So you have to write 19 before 20. Then again, you have to ask yourself what comes before 19. So it's 1 8 18. So you have to write 18 before. मतलब आपको 18 पहले लिखना है 19 से. Okay, in this way you have to cover this worksheet. Before starting this, let's see what is the conversation in between two friends. What are the name of two friends? Ma'am, Tina and Johnny. Yes. So let's climb a ladder, and when we come down, we will count backward. So first of all, Tina said कि चलो टॉनी वी विल क्लाइम दैट लेडर. ये जो लेडर है, टू लेडर्स आर देयर. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल क्लाइम देम. हम इनको क्लाइम करते हैं, राइट? एंड टॉनी सेड व्हेन वी केम डाउन, जब हम नीचे आएंगे तो हम बैकवर्ड काउंट करेंगे. ओके, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल दे विल climb this ladder. When they come over here on the last rungs, right? So then they will count backward. Fine, students. Okay, what Tony said? Tony said, be careful. Come down slowly. Matlab, if you are climbing that ladder, but you have to be very careful with that. Okay, आपको slowly नीचे आना है. You don't have to go in hush rush. Fine. Okay, so students, there is a teacher and parents transactional process. So I will read this first and then in just 2 seconds we will start. One day, Tom decided to paint a ladder. Who is Tom? He's a boy. See, a little boy. So what he decided, what he have in his hands, paintbrush, and he also having a paint basket, right? So one day Tom decided to paint a ladder. उसने क्या डिसाइड किया कि वो लेडर को, सीढ़ी को पेंट करेगा. He got a bucket of paint. So उसको क्या मिला? उसने एक bucket of paint ली. Then he got a paint brush because without paint brush तो वो paint नहीं कर सकता है ना. So he got a paint brush also. He put on a hat so that paint would not get into his hair. तो उसने क्या करा? उसने hat wear करी ताकि paint brush जो है उसके hairs पर ना गिरे और dirty ना हो. So when he used to paint the ladder, what comes then? Splish, splash, dish, dash, up and down, left and right. In the end, Tom had painted himself. Last में क्या हुआ? He is involved so much in his activity कि उसने अपने आप को बिल्कुल क्या कर लिया? What he did? उसने अपने आप को बिल्कुल पेंट कर लिया, right? So whenever you do the task, you have to do it nicely, okay? Otherwise, what will happen? Mama will scold you that why you are so dirty. Fine? Okay. So students, the last question is how many rugs do the letter have? So this answer I'll give you later. I'm waiting for your answer. Then I will give my answer. Okay? तो आपने क्या करना है? सबसे पहले we have to climb the ladder and then we have to come down by counting forward. हम क्या करेंगे? Count backward कर कर we will write it in our notebook. Okay, so here we have to do backward counting. Okay, and after that we will give answer of this question, that how many rungs do the ladder have. Acha, I will tell you what is the meaning of rungs. Rungs means, ये देखो, this is the horizontal support ना जिस पे आप अपने feet रखते हो and you go up, right? So these are the rungs. ये जो horizontal support होता है जिसके through you go up, so उसको आप क्या बोलते हो? Rungs. Fine? Is that clear to you all? Okay, students. So now, first of all, we will cover this ladder and then we will do this one. Fine? Okay, so first of all, what will happen? Tom will go here on top. Tom ने क्या किया? सबसे पहले वो top पर आ गया. It's on stair number 2020. He is on rung 2020. Now he want to go down. और जब वो नीचे आएगा he will paint one by one rung. Okay, so 20, what comes before 20, students? Ma'am, 1 9 19. Okay, so you have to count it aloud, write it in your notebook, and you have to say, ma'am, 1 9 19. Okay, okay, now he is on next rung. He is coming down now. So what comes before 19? Ma'am, 1 8 18. 1 8 18. Very good. Okay, now he is on the next one. What comes before 18, students? Ma'am, it's 1 7 17. Very good. Yes. Okay, now he is on the next one. What comes before 17, students? Tell me, I'm waiting for your answer. Ma'am, it's 1 6 16. Very nice. Okay. Okay, now I'll ask questions with you all. You all have to be careful and you all have to be ready for my question. Okay, so who will give me the first answer? Mitakshi. Mitakshi, tell me what comes before 1 6 16? Ma'am, 1. Very good. 5, 15. 1, 5, 15. Very good, Mitakshi. Clapping for Mitakshi. Well done. Okay, now next is who will tell me? Who will tell me? Okay, Sukaran, tell me what comes before 15? Ma'am, 1, 4, 14. Very good, Sukaran. Well done. Very nice. Okay. Now the next is from Vedic. Vedic, tell me what comes before 14? Ma'am, it's 1, 3, 13. Very nice. You all are doing very nice job. Okay, the next is very nice verdict. Well done. Okay, now it's turn. Who will tell me? Okay, Anisha, tell me what comes before 13? Ma'am, 1. Very good. 2, 12. Very nice. Wonderful job. Okay, the next one is tell me who will give me the answer. Raise your hands. Jasleen will give me the answer. Okay, Jasleen, tell me what comes before 12? Ma'am, 1, 1, 11. Very good. So, Tom will done this letter. See, it's so nice. Now he have to go there. He have to do this letter as well in the same way. First of all, he climbed on top and then he will came down and count backward. Okay, so one by one we will do this task as well. Okay, chalo. Now where is Tom? Tom is on number 10 rung, right? Then what comes before 10? Who will tell me? Arav, tell me what comes before 10? Ma'am? 9. Yes, 9 is already written. You just have to trace it. Very good, Arav. Well done. Okay, now tell me what comes before 9? Hurry up, hurry up. I'm waiting for your answer. What comes before 9? Mankirat, tell me. Ma'am, it's 8. Very good, Mankirat. Well done. Okay. Okay, now the next number. What comes before 8? Supriya, you want to give me the answer? Yes, ma'am. Okay, tell me what comes before 8? Ma'am, 7. Very nice. Well done. Okay, you have to write 7 over here. Okay, now what comes before 7? Arna, tell me what comes before 7? Ma'am, it's 6. Yes, it's 6. Very good. Okay, now he's on the next rung. Now tell me which rung he is on. What comes before 6? Ayushman, what comes before 6? Ma'am, it's 5. Yes. So this is your backward counting. You know that? Okay. Now what is there? Which number comes here? What comes before 5? Hurry up, hurry up. Who will tell me? Give me the answer. Udavir want to tell me. Okay, Udavir, tell me. Ma'am, 4. Very good. Yes, here comes 4. Very nice. Okay. Tell me the next number. What comes next? I'm not going to tell you. You have to tell me what comes before 4. Ma'am, 3. Very good, Devleen. Yes, here it is 3 number. So here you have to write number 3. Okay, wait for a while, students. Okay, I will write it over here. Here it's come 3, right? Here is 4. And here one is 3, right? Okay, the next number you have to tell me what comes before 3. Who will tell me? Yes, yes, hurry up. Who will tell me? Give me the answer. Sahaj want to tell me? Okay, Sahaj, tell me what comes before 3. Ma'am, it's 2. Very good, Sahaj. Yes, this one is right. Very nice, Sahaj. Okay, and this one is already written. Here it is 1, so you just have to trace it. Okay, so students, this is your backward counting. First of all, I'm giving you some time to complete this worksheet. Then we will do the oral recap. Okay, हम count करेंगे again numbers. We do the backward counting. First of all, you will write it. Okay, and then we will do just a recap of that. Okay, students, let's do the quick recap of your backward counting. Okay, first of all, we will do from here. So, when he is on top, on 20, he have to go downward. So, now you have to count backward. 20, 19, 19, 18, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11. Okay, now he is on the next stair, right? In the next ladder, he is on the top on number 10. He has to go downward on the first ladder, right? First rung, sorry. So he has to go downward, so that's why he count backward. So he's on number 10. So what comes before? 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So this is your backward counting. You have to do practice of your backward counting. Okay, let me show you. You can also do the backward counting with the help of that rocket. Okay, the flash card, the picture card with you, you can take that one. Okay, and you can build up the stairs or the ladder, right? So first of all, that rocket will go up in the sky. Then the rocket want to come down, right, on earth. So when he came down, he started counting backward. First of all, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. ओके, आप सेम बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग किसी भी नंबर से स्टार्ट कर सकते हो. यू कैन स्टार्ट इट फ्रॉम 20, फ्रॉम 30, फाइन, बट स्टार्ट इट फ्रॉम द स्मॉल नंबर फर्स्ट, ताकि आपको सबसे पहले अंडरस्टैंडिंग डेवलप हो. देन यू गो ऑन द हायर नंबर्स. Fine, students. Okay, that's it for your today maths class. We will meet in our next session. Okay, till then you have to revise the concept. If you feel any doubt, you can ask me. Okay, God bless you all. Have a good day.